USD, and now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction for quite time. Okay, now the thing is, we want to say is what we are more interested in the up move. We want to see whether similar to what we have here or this, can we get or not. And mostly this is what we are more interested, but the question is how long we will be within this one. Okay, now as we can see here, the price sharply move up within daily. All right, now the thing is whether the price from here can continue, or still we should expect the price to drop, or give us a longer time correction. I mean, still we will be within this correction before we take the move up. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it, but as I say, we are more interested in the up move, but whether the price from here can continue, or still we can expect the price can drop. In this case, we want to see how we can trade it. If I move to forward chart, okay, based on the forward chart, if you want to look for buy, that means if you want to get the buy, we need to get the correction here. At least the price come to this high, drop, or it become more complex before we get the up move. That's mean right now, even the price sharply move from here, I don't think we can buy. Okay, but that's mean if we want to look for buy, we should get the correction. As I said, at least the price come to this high, drop, then we get the buy setup, or if we get the correction. All right, in this case I move to 1 hour chart. All right, first we talk about the buy. As I say, if we want to look for buy again, the price at least need to come to this high or higher, whether it come to this top or not, drop, then at the low, if we get any buy setup, we take the buy, or even there is a possibility this one become more corrective. But anyway, we need to get the correction, and we cannot right now, from what we have it, we cannot look for the breakout. But if the price come here, we see this correcting similar to what I'm drawing here, without come to this high or higher. At that times, if we get the buy for the breakout, we can look into it. Okay, now we need to see what type of the correction we get here before we look, before we take the buy. All right, now the thing is, even based on the daily, I mentioned that we are not, the possibility of the price come to this low also is there. That means may the price doesn't move from here, come to this low, test this low before it move. In that case, do we need to look for the sell from within this range? Okay, from what I have right now, from this correction, one of the option is to have an entry below this. Okay, that means if the price sharply from here drop, we can get a trade. And if this one correct a bit more, move higher, then we don't look for the sell. This is the only way we can look for sell. And if we put the entry here, the price sharp, what we are interested, the price drop sharply. If the price drop correcting, we take out the trade. Okay, and if this one move a bit higher, then we don't wait for, we don't look for the sell. Okay, anyway, based on the higher time frame, we are more interested in the buy. We want to see if we get a correction, we take the buy. But the possibility, if the price drop here, based on what we have right now, we can have entry below this, and what we are looking, sharp drop. Okay, but if the price move a bit higher, then we are not going to trade based on the entry. Okay, then we need to wait, we see what we get here, whether we get the confirmation for the buy, which we are more interested or not. And as I say, if the price come here, drop, if you get any sell within having entry below, having entry below this, you take out the trade. Again, we are more interested in the up move rather than sell, down move. But if we get any sell within this range, what I just now explained, still we can take it. And if, as long as we get into the profit, we move our stop loss to break even. Thanks.